Remove the trim panel on the center console. Tools need to be prepared in advance. Use a tool to remove the air conditioner outlet. In order to facilitate the removal of the air conditioning outlet, it is necessary to hook this gap with a hook. Continue to remove the trim panel on the center console. Use a tool to remove the air conditioner outlet. In order to facilitate the removal of the air conditioning outlet, it is necessary to hook this gap with a hook. When taking it out, you also need to hold this shrapnel with another tool. Unplug the plug on the air conditioner outlet. Unscrew the screws on the head unit. Take out the head unit. Unplug all the back of the console. Unscrew the screws on the head unit. Also unscrew the screws on the back of the head unit. Disassemble the head unit, and pay attention to the internal wiring when disassembling. Remove the flat cable from the head unit PCB board. Take out the copper pillar of the Carplay product. Install the copper pillar of Carplay inside the head unit. Take out Carplay's PCB board. Connect the flat cable on Carplay's PCB board to the motherboard. Note that the cable connection needs to be plugged into place. Connect the cable from the original head unit to the Carplay PCB board. Unscrew the screw of the small iron piece on the back of the main unit, and remove the iron sheet. Take out Carplay's LVDS cable and USB cable, and thread it into the console through the small hole. Use screws to secure Carplay's PCB board to the copper post. Use screws to secure Carplay's PCB board to the copper post. Similarly, connect Carplay's USB cable to the PCB board. The PCB board of Carplay is partially installed, and the original car head unit can be restored. The PCB board of Carplay is partially installed, and the original car head unit can be restored. Take out Carplay's 48-pin main line, and dock it with the main line of the original car. Transfer the fiber optic cable taken from the original main line to the main line of Carplay. Then connect the Carplay main line to the console. Carplay installation is completed and the original car layout is restored. Click the Source button to enter the source setting interface and select AUX. Long press the Return button to switch to Carplay system. You can enter the Bluetooth interface of the Carplay system to view Carplay's Bluetooth name and other information. The phone enters the setting interface and turns on Bluetooth. Search and connect Carplay Bluetooth. Pay attention to the mobile pop-up information. Click Allow and Pair. Click to use Carplay. Connect successfully and enjoy wireless Carplay.
也许你该用心去体会我对你的安排，用了多少心，你怎么不明白？谁能躲得过上天对爱的安排？用了太……
打电话给10086。
正在给10086打电话。
给我的就可以。挂断。接听，挂断。
失去这段爱，也不要太